Traveling doesn't have to come at the cost of the planet. Small changes to how you plan, pack, and explore can reduce your environmental footprint while enriching your experience. Let's explore how to travel sustainably and make a positive impact, one journey at a time. Start with mindful transportation. Whenever possible, opt for direct flights to minimize carbon emissions. Better yet, choose eco-friendly alternatives like trains or buses for shorter trips. Many countries have fantastic rail systems that are both scenic and sustainable. Next, focus on where you stay. Book accommodations that are committed to sustainability. Look for hotels or hostels with certifications like LEED, Green Key, or EarthCheck. Better yet, consider eco-lodges or family-run guest houses, which often have a smaller environmental footprint and directly support local communities. Packing plays a big role too. Travel light to reduce the overall weight on transportation, and bring reusable items like water bottles, tote bags, and utensils. This helps cut down on single-use plastics while you're on the go. For toiletries, stick to solid shampoos and biodegradable products. When exploring, support the local economy. Eat at small, locally owned restaurants and shop for souvenirs made by local artisans. Not only does this preserve local culture, but it also reduces the environmental impact of imported goods. Finally, leave no trace. Respect the environment by sticking to marked trails, avoiding the collection of natural souvenirs, and ensuring your waste is disposed of responsibly. Better yet, participate in local conservation activities like beach cleanups or ecotourism projects. Traveling sustainably isn't just better for the planet, it creates more meaningful experiences. Every small choice adds up, ensuring that future generations can enjoy the wonders of our world. Pack your bags, plan thoughtfully, and leave only footprints behind.